hello, my family. How do you feel? Eso, it's time to enjoy. Hello, hello, hello. Say hello to the camera. Eso, my sexy family. It's time to enjoy.
The heavens and the waterfalls all flow. Got our life vests on, hard hats tied in water shoes for tread. We're climbing through this jungle like the stories in our heads. We came from cruise decks and chaos and noise. Now it's silence and splashing and hollering, boys. Sunlight cutting through the canopy like fate. Every step we take feels like it's not too late. So laugh while we hike and shout as we slide. We came looking for thrill, and now we're alive. We're strangers and brothers. This memory's gold in this island of soul where the stories unfold. The rocks are slick, the cave is tight, the river's running fast. We're all just little kids again, forgetting about the past. From concrete streets to forest feats, we came here to explore. Puerto Rico gave us beauty we could never buy in stores. We came for a thrill and we found something more, like magic tucked behind a weathered wooden door. Laughter in the water, joy in every sound. Even gravity can't keep our spirits down. So laugh while we hike and shout as we slide. We came looking for thrill, and now we're alive. We're strangers and brothers. This memory's gold in this island of soul where the stories unfold. Welcome, my sexy.
Hey, papi. I love you, but I have to push you. Alright. Put your hands together.
I love you, but I'm gonna push you. Stood at the edge, feeling cold on the stone. Eyes wide with worry, heart feeling. Look back at me and say, I don't know. I smiled real soft, said that's how it goes. Sometimes the fun starts after the fear. Sometimes the leap is how we get here. I ain't letting you miss what you were made to do. So close your eyes, I've got you. I love you, but I'm gonna push you down the slide where the wild water moves you. It's scary now, but you'll come up laughing. Life hits hard, but it's made for crashing. So trust the ride, let go, get so through. I love you, but I'm gonna push you.
Good job.
There's joy at the bottom, waiting unseen, where courage lives past the